Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you fix your WhatsApp account if it is banned due to spam problem. So if your WhatsApp account is banned, you can just do some things. So the first step is just uninstall WhatsApp, and after installing the WhatsApp, reinstall it again. If your problem is not solved, you can just contact WhatsApp authority. So for that, just go to any browser, search for WhatsApp. Just click on this whatsapp.com. Now just scroll here, scroll to the last, and here you can see this option here, contact us. Click on it. Now again click on contact us here. Now here you need to just give your email address and phone number and choose your device, and after that in the message box just type this. Here you can see this, just type this and click on next step, and after that just click the bottom send question, and after that WhatsApp authority will help you through sending an email, and in that email you need to just follow some steps and your problem will be solved. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.